Hello, this is Neil and welcome to Neil's World. I received an email yesterday from Elementor regarding the new pricing plans they are going to launch on March 9. Elementor, as you all know, is the most popular WordPress builder available as of now. There are different page builders available such as Divi and Beaver Builder, etc. But Elementor has the largest fan following and it is the most user-friendly page builder for WordPress. They have a very good pricing plans already, but they're changing their pricing plans from March 9 this year. I received an email regarding the changes yesterday. So let me share with you what are the details that are available on the new pricing. So let me share my screen and show you what are the details that I received through the mail. Okay, so this is the mail that I received yesterday, which says that on March 9, we will be updating the new Studio and Agency Pro subscription. We will be adding the new Studio and Agency Pro subscription plans and updating the Expert plan. So the Pro plans, which is there which is presently there for $199 for 1,000 websites available as of now, will be changed, and there will be two new plans called a Studio and Agency Pro subscription. So these plans will be applicable only to new purchases, not for existing active Pro subscription plans. So what are the things that will remain same as for the email? All current plans will remain same. The personal and the plus plans will not change in terms and price, but they will be renamed as Essential and Advanced. So what is new regarding the new plans? The Expert plan, which purchased after March 9 for $199 per year, will support only 25 sites. As of now, the $199 plan supports up to 1,000 sites, so which is a drastic change in pricing. So what they are doing is that they will give this window 1 month, because I received this mail on 9th of February. This 1 month, within this 1 month, if you buy the $199 per year plan, so you will receive this 1,000 sites current Expert plan. So they are giving an opportunity to buy the plan before the new plan becomes active. So what are the new plans? So they will be launching two new plans called Studio, which is $499 a year for 100 sites, and Agency, which is $999 for a year for 1,000 sites. So these are the two plans that they will be adding. Along with the new plans, what they will be adding is that the new plans will have VIP support 24/7, tailor-made and relevant content, and the ability to open profile on your expert network. They have an expert network where you can open your expert profile. So they will have a VIP support for the new plans, and they will provide the premium support for the paid plans as before after this new plan becomes active. So this is the pricing which is going to be effective from March 9. So this $449 per year, which is the personal plan as of now, will be renamed as Essential. For a single website, $99 per year, which is the advanced plan as of advanced plan, or the Pro plan as of now, which will support 3 websites. And the new plans are these 3: Expert, Studio, Agency, 2,500 and 1,000 websites. So along with this, what they're coming up with this 100 plus website kits. So they will be adding some website kits for the new plans, 100 plus website kits. So I think this will be not a single template for a page or a blog post or something like that. This will be a whole website kit coming for the new plans. So this is it. Please let me know what you think about the new plans. Share with me what you think about these new plans through the comments below. And I hope even though the pricing changes, Elementor will remain a very good page builder. Even though if you think in terms of the pricing and the value you get from the Elementor page builder, in terms of the ease of designing a website and the time that it takes to create a whole website using the templates available and all, the new pricing, and if you sell your website at the correct price, it should not be a problem for freelancers or the agencies that will be designing websites for clients. I hope this pricing will be accepted by most of the users. I don't know, but please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you.